Hi, my name is Yesenia. Today we are highlighting the Ford F-150 Raptor's key features. The first feature is the high-output 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. Under the unique Raptor hood is a 24-valve, 3.5-liter twin-turbo high-output EcoBoost with Ford port fuel and direct injection system and 10-speed automatic, generating a massive, best-in-class 450 horsepower and 510 foot-pound of torque. The second feature is the trail control. Trail control is another high-tech feature of the F-150 Raptor, a cruise control system for low-traction, rugged off-road terrain. You set the speed and the system manages acceleration and braking, automatically sending torque and stopping force to the wheels individually as changing conditions dictate, allowing you to focus on steering over the demanding terrain. The last key feature is the high-output off-road Fox Live valve racing shocks. The Raptor is outfitted with class-exclusive Fox Live valve monotube shocks, featuring internal bypass technology to deliver superior control and maximize your off-road experience. We'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below. Don't forget to head to our website for more details on this vehicle.